Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the IBM Selectric here. We're just going to do two quick things to it. Finish up this job. One of them is paper release lever is busted off here. So let's take it apart and replace that real quick. This will only take a minute or two. Get this thing apart here. And we'll replace that lever over here real quick. It's pretty easy. So I just broke the lever off the top here. And it's just held on with a little clip right here. And see if we can get this off. So it's got a little clip like that, and this piece comes right off, just like that. New arm is, they made different versions. This is a Selectric 2, Selectric 3 version. And you just lift this up, and there it is. Back in business, and get that little piece that kind of flew way over here. Okay, there it is right there. And we're just going to put this back in the tool, like that, spread it. Stick it on there. Couldn't be faster. But while I was looking closely at this, I noticed also these feed rollers here are cracking. See those cracks in there? It's kind of hard to see. Let me turn some more light on here. And they're cracking, and then this one here in the middle is actually not the same as these. So at some point somebody replaced this one, but they didn't replace those. I don't know why. But we're going to do all of them. And again, it's a very easy job. You can do it from either side. Just loosen the screw and the bail arm here. Sometimes they have a set screw instead of a screw. But if you're lucky, it's got a screw. You don't have to go get a special wrench. Pry that apart. A little handle fell down in there, and you can just slide these right off, just like that. And I've got three more matching. These are used, but they're pretty perfect condition. I just slip those on. They got a little spring deal that keeps them tight, so you just have to press it past that point. And put this back in the arm like that. Line this little cap up like that. And put a little screw back in there, just like that. Tighten it down nice and tight. Check the other one, make sure it's tight. Good. And just, I've already cleaned those rollers, so they're all ready to go. Alright, that's how you do a paper release arm, paper bail rollers. IBM's probably one of the most serviceable mechanical machines ever made. Crazy easy to work on sometimes, until they get maybe some serious repairs. This one did need a whole keyboard flushed here, and it's got a hub in there. It's got the works done to it. It's ready to go back to the customer. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.